Hi there, how are you? And thanks for checking out this lesson on Bounce Off the Bottom by Rolling Blackouts Coastal Fever. We're going to cover off the rhythm guitar today of this tune. If you're interested in grabbing all the lead parts and a chart in some detail, go to patreon.com/Simon Morel. All right, here's the rhythm guitar part. We're going to play an F major over C like this, D minor like this, A minor like this, C like this. Okay, now we've got a bit of rhythm involved here, so we're going to play on the 1, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, D minor, 1, 2 and 3, A minor. Okay, so that was F minor, D minor, all on the 1, and then we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and into C. Then we repeat the same thing over the next 4 bars. Okay, the next section of the intro, we've got F major 7 over C, and we're going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We do that twice. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Same thing with the G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we repeat exactly the same thing again. F major 7, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, then the verse kicks off. We've got some of the same chords. We're going to do the same thing. F major 7 with a C in the bass. 1, 2, D minor 7, A minor. Same thing again, D minor 7, A minor, 3, 4. Pre-chorus is F major 7, 1 and 2 and 3, same as we had in the intro. G, C, F major 7, G, C. Then interlude, we've got an A minor, whilst the lead guitar goes do 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 do. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C and 2 and 3 and 4 and G and 2 and 3 and 4 and D and 2, 3 and 4 and A minor, 2, 3, 4 and C, E minor, new chord here. We're going to play an A minor shape, E minor, 7th fret, so we need 7, 9, 9, 8, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and then an E sus2. Okay, then we're going to hit the chorus. We are going to play A minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we're going to do the C. G. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so same sort of things we had before. We've got that A minor, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 1. So that kind of Pete Townsend-iness, if you know what I'm talking about. Tim Rogers, also a big fan. Then we play the verse again, which is chords we already had. F, D minor, C. This time it's all about you, the rhythm guitar player, because there's no lead guitar in this section. And then it goes back through the pre-chorus, that interlude, and then the chorus. And then in the guitar solo we play A minor. And then we get a bridge, which is F major 7. Da, 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 G, da, da, right? And then the epic outro, rhythm guitar wise, is F major, G and C, exactly the same chords. And that is how you play Bounce Off the Bottom by Rolling Coastal Blackout Fever. Goodness me, I can't even get it out. I love this band. They're cool. They're 3 guitar players, really into them. So if you like the lead lesson and the chart and all that sort of stuff, do go to patreon.com/Simon Morel. I will see you next time for another lesson. Thanks for watching. Really do appreciate it.